Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Smith machines that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're setting up your dream home gym or upgrading your workout space, these machines bring versatility and performance to your strength training routine. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Mikolo Power Cage, a versatile workout station designed for users seeking safety and efficiency in their home gym setup. This 8-in-1 unit packs a power rack, cable crossover system, lat pull-down station, dip bars, and more into a compact design. With dimensions of 56.5 inches long times 67.5 inches wide times 86.4 inches height, the cage provides ample in-frame space for exercises like squats and bench presses, making it ideal for beginners or those prioritizing safety during heavy lifts. The upgraded pulley system ensures smooth cable transitions, adding to its overall stability and durability. In terms of build quality, the Mikolo Power Cage is constructed from alloy steel and features 8 reinforcing tabs for enhanced stability. Its space-saving design offers thoughtful storage solutions, including weight storage pins, hooks, and a barbell holder, keeping your gym organized. The included accessories, like a lat pull-down bar, tricep rope, and footboard, mean you won't need to purchase extras separately, adding value to this setup. Pros include its versatility and safety for in-cage workouts, while cons might be its relatively large footprint compared to simpler power racks. While it's ideal for home gym enthusiasts seeking a compact yet feature-packed unit, users with limited space might want to consider smaller machines. Overall, the Mikolo Power Cage is a solid entry-level choice for those looking to maximize their workout options in a single station. At number 3 is the Mikolo All-in-One Smith Machine Home Gym, a true centerpiece for any serious lifter's home setup. This machine is designed to deliver versatility and performance, combining a Smith bar, half rack, pec deck, lat pull-down, seated cable row, and cable crossover system, all in one compact design. The standout feature here is the dual pulley cable system, which is synchronized for balanced and controlled movements like lat pull-downs and rows. The 7-degree angled Smith bar aligns with your body's natural movement path, reducing strain on joints and improving muscle engagement during squats and presses. The machine is built from commercial-grade steel tubing, ensuring durability and stability, and supports up to 2,000 pounds. Despite its robust construction, it occupies only 15.9 square feet, making it suitable for home setups and even light commercial use. Integrated storage solutions for weights and accessories keep everything organized, adding to its appeal for users who value a clean and efficient workout space. Additionally, the pec deck station is perfect for isolating chest movements, while minimizing shoulder strain, making it ideal for beginners and seasoned lifters alike. The downside is the synchronized pulleys, which limit independent bilateral training. However, its compact design, robust build, and professional-grade features make it a solid choice for users looking to train multiple muscle groups in one versatile station. Pros include its space efficiency and heavy-duty design. Cons are the lack of independent pulley functionality and slightly higher price tag. Sliding into the number 2 spot is the Mikolo Smith Machine M4, a powerhouse of functionality and durability. This multifunctional station combines a power cage, Smith machine, cable crossover system, lat pull-down, and pull-up station into one robust unit. With a maximum weight capacity of 2,200 pounds, this machine is designed for heavy-duty training, accommodating advanced lifters and families alike. Its dimensions, 87.2 inches high, 71 inches long, and 48 inches wide, allow for a wide range of exercises while maintaining a compact footprint for home gyms. The build quality is exceptional, with 50mm by 50mm commercial steel tubing and 12 connecting triangle pieces for added stability. The rear top guide includes 4 hooks for convenient bar and handle storage, saving valuable space during workouts. Smooth pulley sliding sleeves enhance the user experience, while the added leg hold-down attachment enables exercises like lat pull-downs with greater control and comfort. Accessories like dip attachments and T-bar row platforms add versatility, ensuring this machine caters to a wide variety of training needs. One downside is its heavier weight, 389 pounds, which may make assembly challenging. However, its unmatched durability, storage solutions, and versatile functionality make it a near-perfect choice for those seeking gym-grade equipment at home. Pros include its robust construction and accessory-rich design. Cons are the weight and the need for ample space during setup. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the RitFit M1 and M1 Pro Smith machine, a versatile and highly efficient home gym solution. This machine is built with heavy-duty 2x2 steel uprights and features a compact yet spacious design, 64.5 L by 68.1 width by 85.3 H, that accommodates a wide range of exercises. The integrated cable crossover system and linear bearings ensure smooth and safe movements, while the bottom spring shock absorption system adds an extra layer of stability during heavy lifts. With a tension level of 1,500 pounds, it caters to both beginners and advanced lifters, offering a safe and efficient strength training experience. The build quality of the RitFit M1 is top-notch, featuring alloy steel and aluminum construction. It includes multiple 1-inch holes for attachments, enhancing its customization options. The black finish adds a sleek aesthetic, while the included warranty, 36 months on the steel frame and 12 months on accessories, provides peace of mind. Customer reviews rate it highly for its ease of use and durability, making it a favorite among users. Additionally, its compact design allows it to fit seamlessly into most home gym setups without taking up excessive space. On the downside, the lack of included weights may require an additional investment. However, its blend of safety, versatility, and thoughtful design make the RitFit M1 and M1 Pro the ultimate choice for home gym enthusiasts seeking a reliable and efficient Smith machine. Pros include its compact design, smooth motion, and robust build quality. Cons are the absence of weights and slightly higher price point compared to simpler models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.